It's a little crowded up here today, Jay.
Yeah, I can't even see the LIO box up there.
Just about everything else is.
Roger that.
This is Mission Control Houston. This television from the upper deck of Columbia, the flight deck, showing Mission Specialist Charlie Precourt completing an exercise period using a stationary bicycle on board.
Columbia, Houston, we're with you underneath the floor.
Copy that, Jay.
And ready for your commented tour.
Okay, Jay, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tom's pointing to a deformed area, a small deformed area on the very top of the tank, and that's over towards the port side. You can see that he didn't find any damage on the back of the tank. And he's still pointing to that deformed area. As you come down to the front, on the port side of the tank, he's pointing to a deformed area. It was something that's actually pushed the tank out deformed. I don't know if it's the bellows or not. And it actually tore a small hole in the skin of the tank. You see it's pointing to right now. There's no fluid leakage from the tank that we can find at all.
Tally ho. And Columbia and Space Lab, as we go over the hill, there's a message on board for PS2 for execution in about a half an hour.
See, this couple is almost, it's attached, but it's probably not fused. It could be an initial stage of fusion. Stop. When you're ready. And Bernard, from München, for your information, we have now again the TV picture of the Antrag.
Okay, and for your information, I'm at the Stat 7.
Thank you, Bernard. Thank you, Bernard. Stand by a few minutes for this problem. think we have a quite good picture.
Yeah, as you can see, these guys are doing much better. They seem to be randomly distributed and a lot of loop swimming.
Okay, Bernard, we copied and we have at the moment a quite good picture here. Then by a few seconds in this mode, I try to get commands of PI.
Good morning. I plan to be at work at JSC today with my daughter Katie to participate in your program, Take Our Daughters to Work, sponsored by the Federal Women's Program. But since I'm at work in space, we weren't able to do that. But on behalf of the entire STS-55 crew, we'd like to welcome you to the Johnson Space Center and hope that you enjoy your tours and activities with your sponsors today. The classes in science and math that you're taking during your classroom activities during the school year will be the same skills and knowledge that you'll need to pursue the activities that the folks will be showing you today. And we, on the crew, encourage all of you to take math and science as much as you can, just as we did during school, so that you can join the NASA team. Some of the activities you'll see today will show you what NASA workers do behind the scenes to support missions like the one we're on today. Again, on behalf of the STS-55 crew, welcome to the Johnson Space Center and enjoy the day with your sponsors.
Oscillation is starting now. Now this is frequency 0.44. I'm thinking this is really the right resonance. I'm taking now photos.
Robot has 6 joints in its arm. And one of the...
Okay, Hans, and for your information, everything ran nominally and the temperature is below 45 and no hazardous material inside for pre- and post-processing.
Goes on with remote control from the ground operators in Germany. On board, German payload specialist Hans Schlegel is also at work in the laboratory, in another area of the laboratory, working with the fluid physics module that studies the dynamics of fluids in weightlessness. This arm has 6 joints, and one of the goals of the evaluation is to determine how well those joints operate in weightlessness. Also, goal of the experiment is to explore the various methods of controlling the arm, including the method of having a camera system that involves, or that attempts to give controllers a bit of depth perception as they move the arm about. Also, other methods of controlling the robot that will be evaluated include control by the crew members on board, totally automatic control from a program fed into the arm,